Hello. Okay, today we are going to talk about again some QBasic programs. As you can see here, I have opened in my that it's a laptop. These all the questions were asked in 2080 BS, so that was for grade increment. So very simple, many questions were asked. We'll see. Uh, in short, answer of all these questions and QBasic programs by typing. Now, uh, let's start discussion of the first question there. So give the name to unguided. So what are the unguided? Coaxial cable, UTP, STP. So these are the examples of unguided. Okay, two unguided. Sorry. Here it is mentioned the unguided means that is wireless. For wireless, we can use a satellite. Yes, optical fiber, Bluetooth. So these are the unguided. Whereas when you talk about the guided stands for the UTP, STP, uh, optical fiber. So these all are the guided. Unguided means wireless, where the wire cannot be seen, and in that we can categorize that. So Bluetooth we can put there. Similarly, uh, in that unguided, we can use the microwave, infrared. So any two benefits of e-governments. E-governments it is the latest term. It makes the government smart and technology helps the government to do everything in very smart way. So what can be the benefits? Benefits. So quick service. Yes, everything is transparent. Which type of query do you call the total marks system from table in MS Access? Obviously, select query. What is the maximum length of field? That is 64. Yes, you can find this. uh, a list of different types of procedure. Obviously, there are two procedures. Yes, so these all are the minor questions, and very simple way we can write the answer in one sentence. Here is the appropriate technical term. It is missing there. A network interface card, OTP, one-time password. So bus topology we can define in very simple way there. So, so bus topology, it is a topology in which computers they are connected in linear-like structure. So what are the two advantages? Simplest, yes, and cost effective we can say. Cyber ethics. So cyber ethics simply say that uh, follow some standard rules, principles while using the computers. So don't ask for the password, don't steal the informations. So these all are the uh, ethics. So backup means storing the same files in different location. So that is called backup. How it helps is to secure data. Now obviously when you store the data, then it becomes inaccessible for all the users. Only that user can access who is authorized. Similarly, backup also helps our data to encrypt and decrypt so that uh, it cannot be hacked by the hackers. Define e-commerce, write in two names at Nepal e-commerce site. E-commerce, it is a way to do the business, that is selling and buying. And two examples are yes, Sasto Deal, Daras, and there are many others. What is social media? Write in your reason why it is popular nowadays. Social media, so it is a platform on internet using which we can get connected socially and just we can chat, we can send, we can tweet, etc. So these are why reasons. What could be the reason behind that? Reason is there. We can explore ourselves. Yes, we can do business as well. Yes, we can do online meeting, etc. DBMS is a software, and that software helps us to create our database and maintain the database. What could be the examples? Examples could be the Oracle, MS Access, etc. Primary key. So obviously it is a unique identifier, and that identifier, it helps us to sort the record, to link the tables. What is query? Is two types of it. Query, it is an object in MS Access, and that query helps us to extract the information from the database, from the tables. Yes, select query and the action query are the types. Define report, I mentioned in two uses of it. Report, it is also an object. It is used to view the information which we are going to print, so that we can use it manually. In very simple way, we can give the answer. Now let's go for it. That is, write down the output of given program and show them in write-down table. So let's copy it and let's see manually. We'll also run the program. Yes. Okay. Let's copy it. Yes. Okay. Now let's dissect it and let's understand how this works. Let's make a table first. If we don't need that, we'll remove it. Okay. So first variable is here, and that is a. So let's put a here. Next, let's put it diagram. Okay. So what is a? That is 2. Let's give here 2. Since it is using function procedure. Yes. Now next variable is here n. Yes. So n is n gets the value from a. So this a, it transfers the value to n. That's called transfer the value. A is actual argument, n is a parameter, formal parameter most we say. So it is n, so it becomes 2. First it becomes 2 there. What about the sum? So sum equals to 0. It is okay. First value is 0. Yes. Now loop. Let's talk about the loop. J equals to 1 to 4. Yes, it is j equals to 1 to 4. Next is a sum equals to sum plus and. Okay. So sum equals to sum plus and. Let's give here. Next is there n equals to n plus 3. So n equals to n plus 3. Okay. So this is the statement. Next we have last series. Okay. Let's see here. Let's dissect it. So first j equals to 1, condition being true. Yes. So j is 1, condition being true. Now sum. So sum equals to sum plus and what is the value of n? That is 2. Yes. So what is the value of sum here? 0. So that is 0. So 0 plus 2 equals to 2. Now the value of n, it is going to increase by 3. So n equals to n plus 3 equals to, so it was 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Yes or no? Yes. Series, it takes the value, that is last value. Now again loop moves, that is second iteration. In second iteration what happens? N, the value of n changes. Yes, what was the n there? N is now 5. Yes, look here, n is 5. Yes, now it becomes 5. Yes, and some it was 0, now some it becomes 2. So j it becomes 2, again condition is being true. So sum equals to sum plus n. It means sum it is 2, yes, plus n. What is value n? That is 5. So 5 equals to 7. Now n equals to n plus 3. So it becomes now n it was 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes. Now third iteration means now the value of j it becomes 3. So it was 2. Now what is value of n? Value of n is 8. Now it becomes 8. Yes. Sum it becomes now sum is 7. So it becomes 7. Here is 7. It overrides these two. So it becomes 7. Okay. Now what is value of j? J is 3. Again it is being true. Now sum equals to sum plus n, that is sum is 7 plus uh, n is 8. Yes, the value of n is changing the 8, so it becomes 15. Now n equals to n plus again 3. So n it is 8. So 8 plus uh, uh, okay 3. So giving us 11. Okay. Now last iteration, that is j is 4. Yes, j becomes 4. So and it becomes 11. Sum it becomes j 4. This is last value, that it is being true. Sum equals to sum plus n. Yes, so equals to sum is 15. Okay, 15 and plus and n is 11. Yes, sum is 15, n is 11. Okay, now next n equals to n plus 3. So it becomes 11 plus 3, that is 14. Now in next iteration what happens, the loop stops because loop runs only 4 times. Yes, 1 2 3 4. So what happens here, now last value of sum, that is what is the value of sum here, last value of sum, uh, what is the last value of sum here? Okay, so now after this condition becomes false. So last value of sum is here 15 plus 11, that is 26. Yes, so 26 is returned from here. So output is here 26. Yes, so this is the output. Now let's see really we get the same output or not. So going to run this program in front of you all. Let's open QBasic here. Let's paste here. Okay, let's save it first. So it was which year? Grade increment 2080. Okay, let's save it. 2080 grade increment question. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so here is the output. Look here. Inverted 26. Yes, we also found 26. We just wrote here output is 26. So this is how we get the output. It's very simple way. Just find the variables and how the variables are changing their values. We have to write it down in the table, and from there we can know in detail that what is happening. So this was about the this one dry run. Next is rewrite the given program after correcting bugs. Yes, this program is having bugs. Let's uh, okay, let's write it in the okay, question number 6. File, save as, grade increment question, debug. Debug. Okay, yes, it is debug. So what we have to do there? We have to debug it. Let's save it. Now Control A, Control V. Okay, look here. So first is here, this one, right? To display name, post and salary of 10 employees. So what is the question there? Read out the program after coding the box. Display name, post, salary of 10 employees. So we have to display that, means we have to read it. So first is here. Yes, I'm just writing in comment input. We have to write it. Yes, since we are going to read the record. So next is here. Here loop is running 10 to 1. Step minus 1 is not given there. So we have to put 1 to 10. If we put 10 to 1, we have to put uh, step minus 1. So second mistake. Yes. So first mistake. This is the first mistake. And this is the second mistake. Now next. Channel number 1. Name dollar, post dollar, salary. And next is the display. Here is the next mistake. So print. It will be there. Next close. Okay. Here is next mistake. Channel number missing. Yes, that's all. Okay, so we found how many mistakes? First mistake here, second mistake here, third mistake here, and the fourth mistake here. That's all. Now next is there writing the program. Okay, decrease the problems, answer the questions. Okay, let's do this. So sub procedure is here, computer science. 1 to L2 step minus 2. They did this. which statement should be added in main module, and obviously we have to use the call. That's all. Next is the list of the variables used in our program. So what are the variables we have used? $8 is used, L is used, yes, $8, and the L, anything else? I is also there. That's all. Yes. Okay. So these are the conversions, nothing more there. So let's go for the writing this program, 9 number. Let's save it again. File, save as, grade increment questions, writing. Okay. Writing question number. Which question is this? Question number 9. Okay, let's put question number 9. So Q9. It would be better. So Control A, Control V. Okay. Okay. So let's start. First, radiation height of cylinder. Create a user-defined function and total surface area and a subprogram to calculate the volume of cylinder. So let's go for it. Declare sub procedure. What is the name of sub procedure there? Total surface area and a subprogram to calculate volume. So volume, yes. And what are the variables we have to pass? That is R, H, yes. Anything else there? I don't think so. Let's see here. R, H. Yes, only R and H needed there. R and H. So R, H. Next we need here declare function. What is that? After total surface area. So let's give you TSA again. RH. Anything else needed here? I don't think so. RH. That's all. So let's go for input. Input. Enter radius of cylinder. So R. Input. Enter height of cylinder. So next is the H. H. Yes. That's all. Let's call the now sub procedure, that is volume. VULUME, volume. Let's put here call. We are passing R and H. Next is here print the total surface area equals to TSA then RH. Int now let's go for the sub procedure here. Sub volume RH B equals to what is the volume? Sub equal the volume of cylinder. So volume is R square H. Is it R square H? Volume is pi R square H. Yes, pi R square H. Volume is pi R square H 3.145. So into r into 2 square, then into x. Yes, printf the volume is, so v int sub. Next we have to go for function procedure, function tsa rx. Now what is the total surface area? Total surface area is here 2 pi r plus s, 2 pi r plus s. Yes. So tsa equals to 2 pi into r, 2 pi r plus x, and function. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. So we have stored it. Now let's run it. So let's enter radius of cylinder 4.5, height of cylinder 32.12, so it is having issue there. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing here. So t is stored there. Now let's store tsa equals to t. Function print the total surface area tsa function rs. Okay, fine. Let's run it. (23.43), cylinder 43.32. Total surface area, it is not displaying there. Total surface area. Okay. Print. Okay. 12.23 to 3.45. Skipped out of range. No. What is happening here? Sub volume declare DSA. Char H call volume. RH DSA function. Okay, here is problem there. 2 pi r into. Okay, let's run it. (4.67), 34.54. So here is the output. So that was a minor issue. Okay. So this is how we get the output. We can also do one thing there. So we can directly use print here. Instead of writing this one, this is also right, this is also right. Yes, file, save. Let's run it. Twelve point 21, 23.24. So here is the output. Okay. Now next question is here. Store 10 students name obtain marks in 4 different subjects. Store, we are asked to store there. Let's cover this one. Question number 9b. Yes. Let's save it. Grade increment. Question number 9b. Control A, Control B. What is happening here? Control A, delete B. Okay, let's start writing this program. Very simple program is this. So open data file is student dot for output as channel number 2. Now how many records? 10. So for I equals to 1 to 10, input enter students name dollar, input students name students marks in 4 different subjects. Marks in English. So ENGLI English, input enter students marks in science. So SCIN science, input enter students marks in account, input enter marks students marks in Nepali. So we have to store it. Write channel number 2. So name dollar English science account Nepali. So that's all. Next I print the data stored successfully. Close channel number 2. That's all. Save it. So this is how we can write a program, and it's a very simple program. We got it here. Okay. So it was 9 number. Now next C, we are asked C program. There is only one program here. Let's write 10 number now. 10 number and then this one. That's all. Okay. Let's start that. Let's close this now. Let's open the compiler here first. Let's create a new file here. So what is the question? Let's write the question first. Integer value checks divisible by 7 or not. Okay. A number is divisible by 7 or not. stdio.h main. So int n number, printf enter number, then scanf d, then this one number. After that, if number divisible by 7 equals to 0, then printf d is by 7. Else printf percentage d is not by 7. That's all. Let's save it. Wait to save it. CMC model question. It is not CMC model question. It is K80BS. 80BS. 2080BS. Grade increment question. So C program 1.c. So that's all. It's very simple. Yes, let's run it. 34 divided by 7. Now let's write second question here. Second question is display the series with their sum. Yes, we did that. Yes, let's write it. Or okay, we need main function here. Now we need display series. So I equals to 1. We need sum, that is 0. How many? Up to 10 term, and we have to find the square. Obviously we can see here 1 square, 2 square, and so on. So while I less than equals to 10, sum equals to sum plus I into I plus plus. So printf the we are also asked to display the series, so let's print it here. Printf d, then here I, that's a sum is sum. Okay, let's save it. C program Let's run it. So this is how it works. Okay, thank you. This one for today. Tomorrow I'll be again here with some new questions, with some other questions asked in essay. Thank you. Take care. If you like the video, so hit the subscribe button, and if you have any suggestion, let me know there.